What's up, guys? It is a surprisingly warmer day here in early January. It's also a brand new year, and one thing I want to start doing, especially since we're headed into the winter, is starting this up at least once a week. And I figured, you know what? If I'm going to start it up once a week, why not spend some time together and film it? And I'll start it up and we can talk about a few things. So, yeah, with that being said, welcome to the first weekly startup vid that I plan on doing. So, let's see how she runs, and let's talk about some things. Pretty sure I left this in neutral. I did. I was watching the last video and realized that I threw the car in neutral to shut it off. Never threw it back in park. Also gonna need some gas because in the last video, this wasn't on tight enough, and man, did that thing just suck the gas out and pour it all over the floor. Could have been bad, but we made it through. Got a little line right here. We're gonna see how much gas this thing uses out of this while I started up this morning, because I'm kind of curious. Also need to get some ventilation going in here. If anybody thought I was running the car in the last episode with the garage closed, I was not. The garage door was cracked, and I always have this fan pointing outward, pumping the exhaust out the window. It helps. Don't worry, I'm not doing anything stupid in here. At least not, you know, as far as starting up the car goes. I think we're ready to rock and roll. Hopefully nothing dangerous happens this time, like fuel leaks. Keep an eye on that. Let's do this. Oh, I gotta hook up my alternator too. Shoot. If I don't do that soon, I'm only gonna be able to do this so many times. Hopefully she's got juice. We got juice. We'll give it 3 pumps and see if that's enough. 1, 2, 3. Of course it is. She's too good to me. Doesn't look like we have any fuel leaks. We do have a slight leak, but nothing major. My goodness. I think that thing doesn't suck gas down. Holy cow. So now that I'm able to run it longer, there's definitely going to have to be some work done to some adjusting done to the carburetor. I'm missing the heat riser tube that runs from the exhaust manifold up into the choke, so that could be causing problems too, because it doesn't want to go from a fast idle to a slow idle yet. Whew. Man, this fumes built up fast. Holy cow. We do have a very slight fuel leak, so that needs to be addressed. Probably just a matter of tightening this up, but we definitely got some drippage going on there. There's definitely work to be done, but the progress in 2019 was amazing. It's great. And at the end of the day, the fact that I can come out here and start this up, this is mine. Like, it's so exciting. And I've really, really come to love that straight 6 engine. They're just, everything I've read about them, they're incredibly tough engines. And I think, especially as a beginner, they're really not bad cars to get, because there's a good bit of them out there because nobody wants them. And they're tough engines, so I don't know if that means they're less likely to give you problems. Maybe I'm just lucky. I don't know. But if someone's looking at a straight 6 Mustang and they're looking to get a project car and they don't want to get it because it's a straight 6, I highly recommend you reconsider it, because at the end of the day, you're going to have a Mustang in your garage, starting it up, having fun. It's awesome. One other thing I want to point out as we head into this week, look what we got here. Got the MIG welder. I need to get gas for it, but I am prepping as we move into 2020 for bodywork stuff, so that's exciting. very exciting. So anyway, I guess that's the weekly startup. I don't know how long these are going to be, but that was fun. And now I got to start doing stuff so I can actually cut an episode for this week. So until then, guys, take care.